The first and most important step to any coating process is the preparation. It's the one where everybody wants to skimp. Everybody goes, okay, I've got to have an oven. I know I've got to have an oven because I've got to cure this stuff. And I've got to have a gun because I have to have a way to apply it. But we'll skimp around on the cleaning. As important as cleaning is with wet paint, it is more important with powder. You are curing in an oven that's 400 degrees. Heat will not forgive. If there's oil on it, it's going to come out. So, why do we clean? We clean for appearance, adhesion, and corrosion. How does it look? How well does it stick? How long will it last? Right? Now, there are two main ways that we actually prep a part. We can mechanically do something to the part, or we chemically do something to the part. Both are equally important at certain times. Love the internet. Internet's fantastic. You can get tons and tons of information on it. Problem is, you can get tons and tons of incorrect information on it. Anybody ever seen online where people say, all you got to do is blast a part. You blast it and you powder coat it and you're good to go. And you'll see that on some forums and things. That is absolutely incorrect. Totally incorrect. That will create adhesion and it may help initial appearance, but it will not give you corrosion protection. And you want all three. You want it to last as long as you can make it last. Yeah, a common thing for people to do on fence especially, because of all the welds on it, or like I say, new motorcycle frames or anything like that, a common correct way to do it is to put it in the oven, pre-bake it for a few minutes, drive all the stuff out behind the welds, and then wash it. The great thing about the steam is this. It is so hot, when the steam is so hot when you're applying it, that it opens up those pores, and it saves that initial step of trying to preheat it. It opens all that up and pulls everything to the surface as it's washing it. A second great thing about it is this. It puts all that heat energy in the metal when you're through rinsing it, because you rinse it with steam as well. Once you're through rinsing it, the part's still warm, it dries faster. So it saves you time for waiting for the part to dry, having to stick it, having to put it in the oven and let the part dry. It just saves time in that process as well. So that's one of the great things about the steam unit.